as you become husband and wife, you learn what comes first. Each other's lives. You must always work hard every single day to appreciate one another and to enjoy life together. One day you will obviously have kids, and then becomes the most important people in your life. Then you will understand what it is to be parents and what your parents went through. Understand all the worries, all the stress that you gave them. But I'm sure that both of you know you have parents who have a perfect role models for you and have taught you well. So as you celebrate this day, let's not forget the celebration of your parents, to watch over both of you and enter into this special bond and see the hard work that they have put in to raise both of you into fantastic people that you have become.